How to turn on the Apple Pencil 2, also called Apple Pencil 2nd generation. Well, turn on might be the wrong word to use here because we don't have any physical button or anything on this Apple Pencil. So with that said, to activate your Apple Pencil 2, here's how you do it. On your iPad, on one of the sides, you will find this magnetic connector here. Now to turn on or activate your Apple Pencil 2nd gen, just put your Apple Pencil 2nd gen on the magnetic connector. You will then hear the snapping sounds, and once you hear that, you're good to go. Whenever you connect it like that, you will then also see a message on the screen telling you that the Apple Pencil is now active. So let me just demonstrate that for you one more time. At the bottom here, where we have the magnetic connector, I'm going to connect it now one more time. And once you've done that, you will get this message here on top, which means that the Apple Pencil is now active. Once you have done that, you will be able to use your Apple Pencil with your iPad. If that doesn't work, there could be a few reasons for it. First of all, you will always want to make sure that Bluetooth is activated, because you need Bluetooth in order for the Apple Pencil 2nd gen to work. On your iPad, from the upper right corner of the screen, you can swipe down with one finger. You will then find the Bluetooth icon here. If it shows in blue, it means it is activated. If it looks like this, you will need to tap on it to turn it on. Now, if you're trying to use the Apple Pencil but nothing happens on the screen, it could also simply be that your Apple Pencil now just has no battery left. To find out, just connect it via the magnetic connector, and then here on top, have a look at the battery percentage there. If it says 0, you will need to leave the Apple Pencil on the connector for some time to recharge. However, it needs to be said that charging is extremely fast with the Apple Pencil 2nd generation. So just after a minute or so, when you remove the pencil and then try, it should actually work. Because even after a minute, you should be able to use your Apple Pencil for, let's say, half an hour without any issues. Another issue why your Apple Pencil 2nd generation might not work could be that you're using an iPad that is actually not compatible with it. Generally speaking, only iPads that have this magnetic connector here are compatible with the Apple Pencil 2nd generation. So that means even if the Apple Pencil 2 is fully charged, you can't just go and use it on any kind of iPad. Also, last but not least, to be absolutely sure that your Apple Pencil is connected to your iPad, please check the following. First of all, open up the settings, and then here on the left side, tap on Bluetooth. If your Apple Pencil is indeed connected, under My Devices you will see Apple Pencil, and on the right side it will say connected. If you don't see that, then your Apple Pencil is simply not connected properly. So if you don't see Apple Pencil connected here, please take your Apple Pencil and connect it again here on the side to your magnetic connector until you see that message here. And your pencil should then be connected. Last but not least, let me also show you the compatibility list for the Apple Pencil 2. Here we have all the iPads that are actually compatible with the Apple Pencil 2. As it says here, you can use the Apple Pencil 2nd generation with the following iPad models. iPad mini at least 6th generation, iPad Air 4th generation or later, iPad Pro 12.9 inch, 3rd generation or later, and iPad Pro 11 inch all generations. The Apple Pencil 2 will only work with these models. It's not downwards compatible, so it won't work on older iPad models that are not in this list here. Now before we wrap this up, let me also just quickly show you the Apple Pencil 1. The Apple Pencil 1 actually looks pretty similar, but there are two big differences, the first being this silver ring here, and the second being this removable cap here. If you should now notice that you actually have an Apple Pencil 1st generation, then it shouldn't come as a surprise that it didn't work with your iPad with a magnetic connector, because the Apple Pencil 1 is simply not compatible with these iPad models. And that's all you need to know about how to turn on the Apple Pencil 2nd gen. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel for more iPad tutorials.